welcome back to Dreamstyle Chaos. I'm your girl Reena, and today I really wanted to sit down and share with you guys my Shein clothing haul. And now everything that I'll be sharing with you in this video, including all the deets about this top right here, is everything from their plus size collection. So I'm really looking forward to helping you guys get some really cool clothing items, especially for the college season, wherein I definitely have some clothing items which are totally appropriate for college and the freshers party and all the cool events that are coming at you. But there are also some a little not so college appropriate clothing which I still chose to buy anyway. I really hope you enjoyed this. And did I mention this already? This is not just any clothing haul. This is a Shein plus size try on haul. So I'm really excited. I've never really done a try on haul. It's funny how it's been 3 years and I'm finally trying to get out of my comfort zone and really experiment with my content. So I really hope you find this helpful, because I know I struggled a lot in the beginning trying to find my perfect size or some clothing items or recommendations for plus size girls, because I know there are a lot of basic Shein item clothing haul try on. English again. Without any further ado, let's get started. Let's go. So number one on the list is ta-da, this t-shirt. I mean, obviously I couldn't start without starting with a yellow, because if you don't know already, yellow is my current obsession. I think I finally found my aesthetic, and my aesthetic consists of a lot of yellow and a lot of black. I will give you a quick little I know what I'm doing kind of poses. Fits just right. Even the length is perfect. I absolutely love this detail. It gives me a very sportsman-y kind of vibe if I may. Now let's talk about the pants for a minute. Now I truly wish I could go back in time and stop myself from buying that 3XL. Either things were out of stock and I desperately wanted this, or I just assume I have excelled to 3XL. Whatever it was, I was not in a good headspace for sure. But I truly like the pants. Like, I like the concept of them. Very comfortable, and you can sit, you can do your squats. You can, I mean, I don't know why would you do your squats in these, but like you could do a lot of activity in these. So I think this is a great purchase if you are someone with a pear shape or an apple shape. Now I'm sorry if that kind of offends you, because I know as a viewer it always upset me when somebody described my body shape as like an apple or like a pear, like it was just too much to take in. But I think at the end of the day, these are terms and we shouldn't take them personally, and I think that's the best way I can explain to you as well. So keeping our emotions aside, talking about these pants, I think these are a great fit. They are not very fitting, at the same time they do give you some kind of shape, and because these are stripes, you know, they always say that horizontal stripes make you look a little slimmer, a little taller. So I think that also truly works with this element. Best part is it has got pockets. Now the pockets are not big enough to fit a phone or anything, but you could definitely fit in some coins, some cash for emergency. Overall, I truly like this, and I think it's a definite must buy. Way it's picking up on the lights, I think it's so amazing. The size I'm wearing currently, it is 2XL, and if I could go again back in time, like, you know, a little time travel if I may, I would definitely pick up like an XL maybe in this, because yeah, I think it's now that I know my perfect measurements and my sizes. Otherwise, मैं से तुक्का मारती थी online, and I would always think to myself, it's better to go large than to go small. There is nothing that I don't like about this. Even though this is velvet, this absolutely doesn't feel heavy whatsoever. Looks very luxurious. I know I was wearing this in one of the videos, and a lot of you guys loved it. And I think if you are on lookout for a nice t-shirt for your freshers party, which, hey, neck guys, the neck is the highlight in this, because I think these are all the clothing items I purchased like a while back when I was in college, and I wanted something for my college festivals where I'm like on your face, but not like really on your face to a point where my dress code isn't right. Like, I really wanted to be in middle. I do have quite a lot of color variety in this, and to buy or not to buy, are you kidding me? This is everything. This is Insta approved, this is college fest approved, this is everything approved. So definitely to buy, I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely freaking love this. Is this college appropriate? Are you nuts? This is not college appropriate. I'm a soon turning 21, and I need to start experimenting with clothes and, you know, get out of my comfort zone without going too out there. I don't know if that makes sense. And when I saw this, the color, everything was just like, buy me, and I bought it. It's very comfortable. It is a little body hugging. This has a little bit of elastic to it, which is really great, and I absolutely love this cut. I think it's so out there. Very fashionista kind of like a clothing item that I own, and I'm truly happy. But I don't know if I mentioned already, but this is a little body hugging, so maybe like a high-waisted pant on this would go really fine, wherein you know you would get all the spandex that you need to feel confident without feeling uncomfortable. Exactly the outfit I chose to wear on my 21st birthday, and I absolutely freaking love this. Now, to be honest, I am that kind of person who's very scared of like bold prints because I feel they're gonna make me look huge, but like these make you look feminine. These are very elegant. The color scheme is not on your face. I don't know what it is, but like these both together doesn't make you look like a garden, and that is one thing I was always looking forward to. And this is like one clothing item I would say I don't mind buying in 3XL because I feel super comfortable. Yes, it is baggy, but this is the kind of comfy baggy I personally like, getting on the bottoms, and because of which my apple shape or my stomach area isn't that like on your face, because I'm wearing a crop top which is like an actual crop top. So I think that is something I truly appreciate, because everything is so baggy. You know, my stomach isn't something that is getting highlighted, which is like one of the things I struggle with. The back of this blouse is just two buttons, and I was thinking of getting one more button attached, but it wouldn't work that way because so this is how my back is. So what I'm supposed to do is crisscross, make sure I've covered my back, look forward, make sure it's very tight. I'm supposed to pull this, make this a little down, and then I'm supposed to tie. Yes. And yeah, I will admit that the next time I'm wearing this outfit, I will make sure that I probably have a fashion tape handy with me. If you're planning to experiment with your clothing, then this is a really good option. Also, the best part is you get two items, so like you could totally pair the top with something and the bottoms with something. For another second because it's so freaking hot outside. But with that being said, I got so many compliments on this stuff, like the color, I'm so emotional about this because this is like that only clothing item I've ever wore that, but like everybody asked me, like from my teachers to my college friends to people who talk to me to people who don't talk to me, everybody loved this and everybody asked me where I got this from, and I told them it was from Shein. Firstly, the color is absolutely gorgeous. It's one of those things that looks like a sweater but it's very lightweight. This is one of that Instagrammy thing which is actually very handy. Now mind you guys, this was long. This is me. Okay, so I had my flight at 4 and I realized I had to cut this at 2. So this is the best I could do, because if I didn't, I would be wearing this like a ghagra and I didn't want to do that. Yeah, absolutely freaking love this. You don't need a blanket with this. This is so comfy and the color is gorgeous. So if you are looking out to buy this in this summer, then you do you. Next up on the list, these pants that I was wearing, which God knows where I've kept it. I tried to find it everywhere. Like those really baggy, again very loose aesthetic. I don't know what is this. They're very loose and comfy, and the best part is you get to tie a knot on the ankle, so you know it gives you this kind of effect but in a more feminine way. These pants are amazing. Like the pockets, it is a Pandora's box. Like I'm not even exaggerating, I could fit in my passport, my phone, and my phone is big because I was vlogging so much. Like, you know, I had constantly my phone and my vlogging camera with me all times, and it was just driving me nuts. So having this kind of deep pockets where I can keep my cash, my phone, my camera, everything, I just felt this is every YouTuber's dream come true. Just buy it. If you're a YouTuber, buy it. If you're a normal human being, just buy these freaking pants. They're absolutely amazing. The knot part is a little annoying because there are times when it opens up. And now next up on the list are another pair of pants, and this is my first ever Shein purchase actually, so I have sentimental values attached to it, if I may. So these are the pants I'm talking to you about. I actually even posted a picture with these, so I'll leave the photo right here. The reason I'm not wearing this is because I was on a scooty and this happened, which brings me to the point that this is not the best material. It does get a little see-through. Again, they were super inexpensive and I like the high-waisted band that they had with it, but the material it's very, like, you know how a swimsuit is? Yeah, it's that kind of material. It's very body hugging. So if you have a lot of cellulite, or if you're not comfortable with like a body hugging, body fitting kinds of pant, then maybe this is not for you. So yeah, not the best quality from Shein, to be fair and to be honest. I mean, I've seen better pants now that I have those, but these came really handy. So to buy or not to buy totally depends upon you with regards to these pants. Jeans, they're absolutely amazing. The best part is they don't have a zip situation, so I know the whole oops the zip, like the oops zip is open kind of situation, because like everything is buttoned up, everything is cool and chic. The rip is amazing. Again, ripped jeans, it's very tricky in college. Some accept it, some don't. It's actually not the college, it's the teachers. Some like it, some just don't. The shade is perfect, like it's got this ombre effect to it, which is gorgeous. So with that, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, I really tried, and I know it wasn't the best, but I was all doing it by myself, so the angle was a little off, the lighting was a little off. Just so you know, I really tried. So I hope you appreciate my efforts and would subscribe to my channel. That would truly mean the world to me. You can also hit on the bell notification so that you get updated every time I'm online. I upload videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays, and you can also connect to me through my social media, and I will see you super soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.